I hear a lot of silly things in my business. I had a call the other day from someone who suggested that plastic should be banned because they're destroying our environment. Well, the reason I'm thinking of that little story now is because I went shopping the other day, and when I get home, I start unpacking all my stuff and I look around and see plastic everywhere. Should it be banned? Well, I would suggest no. All of this serves a very important purpose. First of all, we waste an unbelievable amount of food in North America. About 1/3 of all the food that is produced gets wasted. Plastics cut down on that. For example, this cucumber, it's in a polyethylene sleeve. If it were not in a sleeve, it normally lasts about 3 days. When it is protected like this from contact with fungi and contact with oxygen of the air, it lasts about 2 weeks. That's a very, very significant difference. I also picked up some of this gnocchi. Now this is very interesting because this has a very long shelf life. Why? Because the plastic that is used here is a multi-layer plastic. It has some polyethylene in it. It also has some ethylene vinyl alcohol polymer. And these two make sure that no oxygen gets through and no moisture gets through either. So this has a very, very long shelf life. And I know that a lot of you find that grapes packaged like this in the supermarket seem to be wasteful because of the plastic. No, quite the contrary. This saves a lot of grapes. Studies have shown that when you just loose pack grapes, many of them get left behind. Nobody picks up the individual pieces. When you have to pick them up like this, you're saving a very, very big percentage of the grapes. So we improve our nutrition, we improve the keeping qualities of the food, and we have certainly less waste. Right now, it's time for my lunch. So certainly banning all plastics is just a totally silly idea because they increase the quality of our food supply, they increase the variety of the foods that we have, and they make our food safer to eat. Thanks to plastics.